Welcome to your piece of tranquility in the beautiful suburb of Gilston on the Gold Coast. This beautifully presented 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers space, comfort and lifestyle in a peaceful, leafy setting. Inside, enjoy light-filled open-plan living and well-appointed kitchen designed for easy family living. But the real highlight is right here, your sun-drenched deck with stunning valley views, the perfect place to relax or entertain. If you can see yourself having a morning coffee or hosting friends in this beautiful setting, you don't want to miss out on this one.